Yo, before we start the video, I just want to say, make sure you are subscribed with the push notifications on. That way you are notified every time I upload a video. And for a shout out, make sure you like the video. Make sure you are already subscribed. And comment done when you are done. What is poppin', Fox Squad? As you can tell behind me, it is dark. That is because it is 9. Even though it got dark at 5. So it's been dark for 4 hours. We're about to go up to Zacks to have a little bonfire. The reason I'm starting off so late is because we were supposed to go to another store that we've never been to make a fort, but he decided to start working on his car instead. Yeah, that makes sense, doesn't it? Didn't to me, but whatever. So now I gotta listen to the Mexican bitchin'. Just throw some little birdies there chirping. No, crickets. Because I have no idea what to say. So we're going up there. Hopefully something funny is going to happen. And hopefully people aren't complaining about the damn cold. Ew, it's cold. There's a fire in front of you. Jump in it. Just kidding. Don't do that. You don't want to look like Anakin Skywalker, that is. Who became Darth Vader because of his hatred. Actually, in the first movie, he wasn't even all that bad. He just knew the Emperor would kill him if he did something wrong. It was up until he found out he had a son that the Emperor was lying about the entire time. Because the Emperor told him that his kid... No, the Emperor didn't. Someone told him that his kids died when they were born with his wife. I'm getting off topic. I'll just meet you guys at Zacks. Well, the Dermash is already at the fire. Or already started the fire. Just listen to it crackle. Oh wait, you can't hear it yet. I can, barely. Which is how I know you can't hear it yet. So let's go have fun. There we go. Lena.
Sorry, I look like a homeless person right now because I'm wearing a beanie.
Well, you are homeless. That's why we built the fire.
What? You're not wrong, basically.
What? What'd you say?
So we are homeless. That's why we built the fire.
That's okay. She got her insurance card today.
That's why you do not have a flashlight in your hand.
Why?
Because we're homeless.
No, this is just a. This is actually a torch. No, she got them from...
Yeah, I got my card today.
Did ya?
One of them,
Hey, Zach. What? Do it for the Vine.
Vine.
Oh, wait. Vine's dead. Rest in peace.
Dun, dun, dun.
Jump in! Do it for the tube.
Tube.
Don't be saying that. YouTube's our friend.
I ain't jumping in nothing.
You should.
You tell your viewers and subscribers. If they jump across the fire, I'll do it.
How about this? If we can get to 200 subscribers.
Oh my fucking God, move.
No.
Move.
No.
You can record this. This will be on your video. Move.
Babe, what are you doing?
Move.
If we get to 200 subscribers, he'll jump in the fire.
Hell no,
Here.
you won't.
Try it on here. Ready?
Babe!
That wasn't even in the fire.
There's fucking fire right here, jackass.
What the fuck?
I guess that's his version of jumping in. That wasn't my version.
You jump in first. Hey, you're the head guy for the channel. That's your job.
Yeah, okay. If we can, well, if it's my job, if we can get to 500 followers, I'll do it. How about that? All right. She just read this on Facebook or whatever she just read it on. If we get caught, I'm deaf and you don't speak English. But you're Mexican, so you don't speak English to begin with.
I'm cold.
Which is why it works. Yeah, we're inside. The house is 70 degrees, well, 69 degrees, I should say. that tells you anything about our life. And she's wearing a giant coat.
And a t-shirt. I'm wearing a cami, a t-shirt, a sweatshirt underneath this, and a coat.
Say that louder. I don't think they can hear you.
I'm wearing a cami, t-shirt, a hoodie, and a winter coat, and I'm still cold.
It's because she's cold-hearted. Do it, you won't. That's what I thought. I don't know why I just did that. I really don't. But nothing. Shut up. Not you, me. What now?
Take me down to the barbecue city where the ribs are greasy and the fries are crispy. Oh, won't you please pass the rolls?
Someone just ruined that song. They really ruined that song. This sucks.
Some people outgrow childish shenanigans. Some of us master them.
Yeah, me and Zach.
You're right.
Isn't that right? Oh, you can't see me. You guys want to know something really, really funny? Stare at your screen for a long time, right? Stare at your screen, like, put the camera, like, right here.
Wait a minute.
Ready? Never mind, I pulled that on you yesterday. I'm not going to do that again.
Happiness comes from within. That's why it feels good to fart.
What?
Happiness comes from within. That's why it feels good to fart.
Wow. And I'm marrying that?
Do you know what I'm marrying?
I do. Me.
Yeah.
I'm a special present.
You're special, alright.
Yeah, at least I'm not special ed.
I'm not either.
Could have fooled me. That's what I thought. Anyway, enough of that. I'm gonna figure out what else to do. Alright, I thought about it. Can't think of anything. So, I'm going to end the vlog here. Giggly over here is really annoying. What is that? Hold on, let me tap the screen so you can see that. Who needs a spare tire? You have duct tape. Oh my god. Sad part is, some people... I wear my heart on my sleeves. Jesus. Okay. Giggly over here is really tired. I'm getting there. So I think it's time to go to bed.
I'm beginning to think my husband isn't going to apologize for the way he acted in my dream last night.
That sounds like someone I know.
Who?
Not you.
Who?
Person before you. You know who you are. Freeze frame that.
Yeah, but you weren't there.
But anyway, because I just said that, that's gonna be the vlog. I love you guys. Remember, if you like the videos, hit the like button. It's free. You can hit it. It helps me. It helps a small channel grow. And if you hit it, you never know, you might get that famous golden thumbs up button. Never understood why people even started that. But go ahead and hit it. It's free for you. It puts my videos out there. That way my channel actually gets noticed. And along with that, Make sure to tell your friends, your family, and your enemies about this channel. I love you guys. I will see y'all tomorrow. Take it easy, fam. Peace. Just a quick reminder to everybody who's subbed, and even not subbed, tell your friends, tell your family, even tell your enemies about this channel. That way we can kick it off and start getting some subs going. Because you never know. We might be the next Logan Paul. Peace out.